Hearing is still on in this case against the CBI chief Ranjit Sinha, where it is a sort of a setback for the CBI chief because the court has cracked the whip on him and said that it seems the allegations made by the NGO in its application has some credibility. This despite the fact that Ranjit Sinha's counsel had gone ahead and argued in the Supreme Court and tried to name the mole who they allegedly believe was supplying the information to Prashant Bhushan and his counsel and the NGO that has filed this petition in the Supreme Court. They have also But the arguments also say that the CBI chief at no point...
Sir, why did you have to name an officer? Sir, why did you have to name an officer? Sir, but why did you have to... Ow!
बाबा ये थोड़ा गेट खोल दीजिए बस ठीक है.
Well, Ranjit Sinha has nothing to say at the moment on a day that the court has come down heavily on him. The apex court cracking the whip on the CBI chief, saying that allegations made by the NGO in its application seem to have some credibility. This is a big setback for the CBI chief as far as this case goes. Of course, we have seen a lot of accusations being exchanged between the defense and the prosecution. Earlier in the day today, remember that the Supreme Court also pulled up the CBI joint director when he tried to defend the CBI director and the court taking exception to the CBI officers actually being present inside the courtroom. Let's go across to Meenakshi on the phone line, who has been getting us the latest from the court. The court coming down really heavily on the CBI chief, Meenakshi.
Well, at the outset, for the sake of our viewers, this is hearing which will determine if the Supreme Court will recall its earlier orders on Prashant Bhushan of disclosing the name of the whistleblower. These are all in the nature of old observations for now, but yes, the bench's attitude towards the director CBI state has been something that will cause a lot of concern to director CBI.